Everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make dice simulator with Python. So let's get started. First, let's create a Python file, dice.py. Okay, at first let's create a function with a return a random number from 1 to 6. So I'm sorry, rolling. And okay, you have to import random module. To import random module, just simply type import random. Okay, and random.radInt. Okay, and Swix. Okay, and I want to return this value, return dice number. So let's call it and see whether it is working or not. If it isn't, then we will fix it. Okay, dice underscore dice underscore rolling. So I copied it and pasted it. I'm sorry. Okay, let's run it and see. Okay, you can see 533 is printed, so it is perfectly working. So create a main function. Okay, and at first I initialize some variable. So clear score 1 equal to 0. Rather than typing, I copied this. Okay, layer 2 and layer 1 win. So I will track and the player win to declare who is winner. So rounds. So there are 4 rounds. So while I'm sorry, rounds is not equal to 4. Okay, at first here underscore 1 equal to let's call the function that I'm sorry. Okay, dice player 2 equal to dice rolling. So also okay, I want to print the round. Okay, f string rather than okay, f string no. Okay, r o u n d round. Okay, it is integer, so I have to convert this to the string to concatenate. So yes, rounds. Okay, I also want to print the player dice number. So to do this is player 1 roll. Yeah, you can use f string instead of concatenating this. F string is easy. Okay, str here underscore 1. Okay, let me copy this. Okay, and paste it here. So okay, change it to 2. Okay, and rounds plus equal to 1. Okay, let's call main function and see working properly or not. So okay, you can see round 3. Okay, it is perfectly working now. if player 1 is greater than player 2, then print player 1 is win. Okay, and I want to increase the player of 1, so player 1 win, 1 win plus equal to 1. So Alif, so similarly player 2 is greater than player 1, print where player 2 is win. Okay, and increase the player to win by 1. So to do this, so simply type okay player to win, okay, and 1. Okay, and if they both have the same role, so the game is of course draw. Player 1 equal to player 2. Okay, print the game is draw. So no one get the score. Okay, now let's run it and see how it is working. So let me clear this at first and run it again. You can see round 2, round 3. Okay, I'm sorry, there are 3 rounds here. So the next things I want to print the result. So to print the result, just simply type go out to the while loop and type if player 1 win is greater than player 2 win, then of course player 1 is win, player 1 is win. Okay, I also want to print how many times you win. So to do this, just simply type str player underscore 1 win. Okay, that's okay. Alif where player underscore 2 is greater, it's greater than player 1 win. Oh, I'm sorry, win. Okay, of course, print where player 2 is win. Okay, str where player underscore 2 okay win. Okay, if the score is equal, so the game is tie. Draw. Player 1 win equal to player 2 win. Print the game is tie. Okay, sorry, the game is okay. The game is draw, the game is tie. So let's run it and see. Okay, oh, I'm sorry. First, let me clear this and run it. Okay, the game, oh, I'm sorry, I spelled it correctly here. So let me run it again and see. Okay, the game is tie, again tie. Okay, you can see player 1 is win. Okay, I'm sorry. Times. Let me copy this and paste it here. Similarly, I want the spaces between them, so okay. Let me run it again. Okay, you can see layer 2 is win. So I think everything seems okay. I want to print. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, I need to print. Okay, the RES as result of the keying is okay in this way. Also, I want the result in the next line. So okay, player 2 is win 2 times. Okay, it seems good. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, again, thank you so much for watching.